Hello everyone, my name is Victoria. I am an AutoCAD instructor here at the Australian Institute of Advanced Studies. And today I want to talk about creating layers because it's very useful when you print a project. So we need to define the lines and the colors so who is reading the project knows which line means what. So I have this piece here, for example. We have different views of this piece, and for example, when you are seeing a front view, you can see that there is a circle here, this hole. So we have to create layers in our project. So when we print it, it will show us that there is a hole passing through this part here. See? Okay, so let's begin. So here at the top, we have this layers tab here. So first, this part here, we can click. And you see I don't have any layer created. So let's start with the first one. Click here on Layer Properties. And this window will pop up. Create here on New Layer. And I have to name my layer. So one of the layers to show this hidden line. So it means that there is this circle and I can't see. So it calls hidden. So hidden. I press enter. I have to change the color. Usually we use this green here. Okay. The line type. The line type, I have to load the line type. So I click here on load. And I search for the hidden. So here we use this hidden too. So I press OK. Choose hidden and press OK again. Okay, see, so it's changed. And now the line weight. The line weight of the hidden, it is 0.13 millimeters. So I just choose here and OK. And that's all we are going to change in our layer. Okay, and let's create another one. So it's for the center. So always that I have circles in my drawings, I have to represent the center lines of these circles. So I will create a new layer. I will type the name center. I will change the color to red. And the line type, I will click here and I will load the same as I did with the hidden. So I would look for the center 2 in this case. Click here, OK. And the line weight is 0.18 millimeters. Okay, so I created the 2 layers that I'm using now. So, but if you need to create more, you know how to do it. Okay, so I can just close this window. And now I have to select all the lines that I have in my drawing that are hidden. So I will just come here to this tab and select the hidden layer. So I'll just change here and you see the lines now, they are green. See? Okay, and I will do the same thing for the hidden line. So I can just click on my hidden line and change it to center. So now it's red, and you see the difference between the lines. So this is my solid line, this is my dashed line, see the hidden, and the center. So now when I look at this drawing, I know that is a circle passing through this piece. And I know because of the center line, and I know that I can't see because of these hidden lines. They are telling me this. Okay? So just create your layers. When you start your drawing, it will help you to finish your drawing, because sometimes when you have too many lines, you get confused. So when you already have colors in your drawing, it makes it easier for you. Okay? So, and that's all that I want to show you today. Thank you.